So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, if you are new and you're not yet subscribed, guys make sure you do all to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel guys, so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's start with this moment right here on our Swiss franc JPY. So this is clear, right? We need to go to the higher time frame, which is our weekly time frame, to understand what market is. Now, first thing first, before you take a trade, you need to know what the trend is. And as you can see on our Swiss franc JPY, we are in an uptrend move. You can see it. Market is what's trending to the upside. We are very much bullish to the upside, right? Now, guys, take a look at this moment right here, guys. Market push up to form an high. Here comes the higher low. Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low. Market then push up one more time to form a new higher high. This is the higher low. Now market eventually give us another push up to form a new high. Here comes the higher pullback, which is an higher low. Market push up to form an equal high. Yes, this is the pullback the market is playing out right here. So market is currently forming an higher low. So once this higher low plays out finish, another push up to form a new higher high will most likely going to play out again on our Swiss franc JPY. So this is one of the reasons why if you are looking at it in the long term perspective, you should be going in for the buy and hold your buy position, because in the long run, Swiss franc JPY will give us that bullish move, and it will possibly take out this high and also take out this high. So guys, ultimately our ultimate target is a bullish move to form a new high. That is what we'll be expecting for the week on our Swiss franc JPY. Now this is the movement right here, guys. Also, so we once had multiple rejection at this zone, which made market to bounce up, right? Now, if you take a look at this, I've highlighted some key level right here, which is first rejection. And this is a rejection here. This is the rejection. This is a rejection. So we can take this rejection to be our resistance. Now, this is also another rejection zone right here. So this is our rejection. This is also the rejection, and now this is another rejection. So we will take a look at this rejection to be our support zone. So with such a movement, we should expect market to bounce off from this level to push up. So guys, a bullish move from this support level is what we should be expecting on our Swiss franc JPY. So Swiss franc JPY should reject from the support level and push up. Now, will there be changes to this prediction that we just did? Truth is, yes, there's a possibility that market will change its movement. But if in case market will do any of that, I'll make sure I do the updates and I'll make sure I let you guys know. So if you do not want to miss out on the updates, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now take a look at this moment right here on our Swiss franc JPY. So Swiss franc JPY is currently on our support level. Let's go down to the 4-hour time frame and see the reversal pattern will play out. You all know a reversal pattern. You know, a reversal pattern like double bottom or a coach, or some candlestick, reversal pattern. So what we will be looking at for right here is a rejection, which is a reversal pattern. So you can see that we've had a multiple rejection at this level. This also, we had a rejection, which is the first breakout. This here is also a multiple rejection, and now this here is also a rejection zone. So we should expect market to reject from this zone and push up to give us a bullish move. So whatever you go to within a Swiss franc JPY, you want to be going for the buy. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe, like, and share too, in order for you not to miss out on any updates.